and girls, it is now time for Saxon Phonics, lesson 111. So you'll need a new packet today. Your new packet starts with your spelling list 22 on the front, so you can grab your packet and be ready while you're getting it. Let's talk about your essential question and your standards. So our essential question, how do I use my phonics skills to become a better reader? Okay, so I use my skills that I learned in phonics to help me read and learn to read. Some of the skills we learn, know and apply those skills to decode words on a second grade level. Be able to distinguish between long and short vowels in one-syllable words. Know your vowel digraphs. Decode two-syllable words and decide if those vowel patterns will make a long or short vowel sound. Decode words with prefixes and suffixes. And then identify your funny words that have common spelling patterns that you can memorize. Alright, so let's start by looking at your spelling words this week. That will include lots of these skills. Okay, as we look at these words, if you would like to code them, you may, to help you memorize how to spell. You'll see several different rules in these words. All right, we have some words that just you can sound out by letter sounds. You have some that are two-syllable words that you're going to have to know the vowel patterns in order to sound them out and spell them. All right, like here we have E sound at the end. All right, we have to know that if it's a two-syllable word and we hear E in the final position, it's Y. We hear J in this word. If it's not a short vowel, we spell with G-E. All right, we have the A sound like in straw. So we have A-W in these two words. Here we have a suffix, I-N-G. All right, so let's look at your words. Start with number 1. Put your finger on it. Let's sound it out. Get ready? Damp. What word? Damp. The ground is damp. That means it's a little wet. What word? Damp. Number 2. Sound it out. Law. What word? Law. We learned what a law is in social studies. 3. Charge. What word? Charge. The cashier will charge you for the food. Charge. Right here we have a vowel consonant vowel. If we divide after the first vowel, this is going to have a long sound. So let's sound it out with that long sound first and see if it makes sense. Get ready? Gravy. Gravy. What word? Gravy. I like to eat mashed potatoes and gravy. Gravy. Next word. Vowel, consonant, vowel. So if I divide after my vowel, it's going to make it long. Let's try that vowel with a long sound. Get ready? Crater. Crater. What word? Crater. The moon has a crater or hole in it. Crater. Number 6. Raw. What word? Raw. I will eat my veggies raw. That means not cooked. Raw. Number 7. Claw. What word? Claw. Don't let the lobster's claw get you. Claw. Number 8. Sound it out. North. What word? North. We will travel north to the mountains. North. 9. Sound it out. Feed. Ing. Feeding. What word? Feeding. I am feeding the animals breakfast. Feeding. ING means it's happening right now. Number 10. Booth. Booth. We will sit in the booth at the pizza restaurant. Booth. Right now, let's look at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our Miss Byers has already highlighted on her list the rule. What have I highlighted? Digraph OA. Guys, what sound does digraph OA make? O. Yes, it says O. We see it is in the medial position. It's not final on any of those. Okay? So, when we hear O in our words this week, it's going to be digraph OA. How will you spell it? Digraph OA in these words. Alright, let's spell your first one. Boat. B-O-A-T. Now let's sound it out. Boat. What word? Boat. Now your next word. Let's spell coat. Get ready? C-O-A-T. Sound it out. Coat. What word? Coat. I wear a coat when it is cold. Coat. The next word. Charcoal. Charcoal. Let's spell it. Get ready? C-H-A-R-C-O-A-L. Charcoal. Now let's sound it out. Get ready? Charcoal. Charcoal. Number 14. Goal. Let's spell it. G-O-A-L. Goal. Sound it out. Goal. Goal. I want to ring the goal. Goal. Number 15. Toad. Spell it. T-O-A-D. What word? Toad. Now let's sound it out. Toad. Toad. The toad is big and bumpy. Toad. Now, the rest of our list, 16 through 20, are some of your funny words or sight words. Let's look at these words. Remember, you have to memorize these words, okay? Because they are funny and they are spelled funny. All right, the first word is country. What word? Yes, country. Let's spell it. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. I live in the country. Country. Number 17 is earth. What word? Earth. Let's spell it. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Earth. 19 is woman. What word? Yes, woman. My mom is a woman. Spell woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. Number 20 is plural for woman. It is women. What word? Women. Let's spell it. W-O-M-E-N, women. Women. Look, they're almost the same. What do we change between the two words? The vowel. Woman has an A, women has an E. So if you can spell woman, you should be able to spell women by changing that one vowel. All right, now let's look at your sentences. Guys, number 21, you're going to have more capital letters. You're going to have to use some proper nouns in this sentence. Let's look at it. It says, Betsy Ross made the first U.S. flag. Read it with me. Betsy Ross made the first U.S. flag. The name Betsy Ross is a proper noun. It has to have capital letters. So the B in Betsy, the R in Ross needs a capital letter. Also, U.S. stands for what, guys?
Attention teachers, if you have not sent me your attendance or if you were not able to get in on the internet through PowerSchool, please send those reports now. Thank you.
Stands for United States. So both of those letters, initials, need a capital letter. Capital U for United, capital S for States. You put a period behind each one because they are initials. All right, and it is a declarative sentence. It is telling us a fact. We put a period at the end. Sentence number 22. Can we make fudge to take for a snack? Can we make fudge to take for a snack? What type of sentence, boys and girls? It is an asking sentence. That is right. It is interrogative, so we need a question mark. And we begin with a capital letter. All right, you need to practice spelling list 22. Today I will have the link for you to get in to go to Spelling List 22 on Spelling City, or you can practice with your study buddy at home. But you need to be ready for your test on Friday. All right, let's continue with our lesson. All right, let's review. It's been a couple of days. Keyword pictures. Get ready. Cashew. Digraph E-W. Ooh. Glue. Digraph U-E. U. Key. Digraph E-Y. E. All right, get ready to name the letters. We're getting a lot of them, guys. Let's see how well you can do. Oh, Miss Byers is jumping ahead of myself, guys. Today's lesson, turn the page, put your name at the top of lesson 111. We are going to learn a new pattern of syllables for vowels. All right, so put your name at the top, pencil down, and ready to name the letters. Combination Q-U. Final stable syllable, T-I-O-N. Diphthong and digraph O-U. Digraph E-Y. Final stable syllable, T-L-E. Digraph A-U. Digraph P-H. Digraph E-A. Digraph I-G-H. Digraph A-Y. Final stable syllable S-I-O-N. Digraph U-E. Digraph A-I. Digraph E-W. Trigraph T-C-H. Trigraph D-G-E. combination AR. A consonant E. Ghost letter digraph KN. Digraph OO. Combination ER. Affix cards. So far we've learned suffixes that are added to the end of a root word will change its meaning. Suffix OUS can mean full of. Suffix FUL can also mean full of. Suffix less, without. Suffix ly can describe how an action takes place. Sight word cards. Let's read them the fast way, guys. Fought, several. Thought, tough, stranger, strange, whose, through, become, could, woman, bought, love, change, today, both, laugh, gone, danger, rough, brought, women, guess, country, listen, finally, none, something, busy, measure, many, earth, together, against, herd, island, daughter, again, mountain, learn, America, there, it belongs to them, ocean, enough, animal, says, don't, very, some, young, question, any, answer, was, government, you, do, people, won't, only, trouble, from, your, pull, once, bush, they, push, would, usually, come, father, where, one, tomorrow, goes, what, does, friend, won't, full. All right, put your finger on number 1. Let's do our spelling sound review. Number 1, echo me. J. Yes, J. Think about the ways to spell it. You should have J, comma G, final DGE, comma GE. After a short vowel, we spell with DGE. Any other spelling pattern is GE. Number 2, shun. Yes, shun. The regular spelling of it. You should have final stable syllable T-I-O-N. Number 3 is a combination. Listen. Yes. You should have combination WH. Number 4. D. Yes, D. You should have D, final D, and suffix ED all make the D sound. Number 5, combination. Cool. Yes. Write it. Combination QU. Number 6. Yes. Write it. You should have V, final VE. Remember, the rule is no matter when or where or the vowel sound, we always spell with VE in the final position. All right, number 7. Echo me. T. Yes, T. Write it. You should have T, final T, and suffix ED. Remember, ED can make 3 sounds. T, D, and ed. Okay? Number 8. E. Yes, E. Write it. You should have digraph EE, E with a macron, final digraph EE, vowel Y. All right, your rule is if it's a 1-syllable word with the long E sound, you can spell with EE in the medial or final position. If it is a 2-syllable word and you hear the long E sound, it is more than likely going to be E with a macron, or if it's in the final position, it's vowel Y that you're hearing. Okay, so check your roll. Number 9, here's your biggie. I know you guys have got this. Listen. Yes. Write all the ways that we've learned to spell that. Okay, let's check it. K or C is used in the initial position. In the final position, if you have a short vowel sound in a 1-syllable word, it's CK. If you have a long vowel sound in a 1-syllable word, it's KE. Any other pattern is K. And if the word has 2 or more syllables, you spell with C. So check your work. That's the biggie. Thumbs up if you have it. Awesome job. Awesome job. All right, now we're going to practice spelling some words based on all of the sounds we've learned. Number 10 is a review. True. True. Think about that U sound like in glue. True. Is the answer true or false? Tell me the sounds you hear in true. Get ready. T, E, true. Write it on number 10. let's spell it. T-R-U-E, true. We have final U-E. Makes that long U sound. Number 11. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Optic. Optic. The optic nerve is behind your eye. Optic. Tell me the sounds you hear in optic. Get ready. A, p, t, I, k. Optic. Think about that. Number 9, optic. Now guys, let's spell optic. Get ready. O-P-T-I-C. 2-syllable word with the k sound in the final position is optic. C. Number 12. Spell the word stopping. Stopping. The cars are stopping at the red light. Stopping. Tell me the sounds you hear. Get ready. St, up, ing. Think about your rule. You're adding a short vowel word to suffix ing. Think about what you need to do to that word. Stopping. All right, let's look at it. Stopping, S-T-O-P-P-I-N-G. So if we look at stop, we have a vowel followed by a consonant. We're adding a vowel suffix. We double the P to keep the vowel short. Doubling rule. We have to double the P. Stopping. All right, on to your sight words or funny words. Number 13, spell the word women. Women. The women are gone shopping. Women. More than one. Now let's spell it. W-O-M-E-N, women. Number 14, busy. Today is a busy day. Busy. Spell it. B-U-S-Y. Busy. Number 15. Sure. Are you sure you have the right answer? sure? Now let's spell it. S-U-R-E. Sure. Okay, guys, who remembers the name of the punctuation mark we use to show pauses? Yes, it's called a comma. We use commas to show pauses or places where the speaker needs to catch their breath in sentences. In this sentence you will write today, you will need to use a comma somewhere in the sentence. All right. Put your finger on number 16. Listen to the sentence. If you mix blue and yellow, you will get green. Listen again. If you mix blue and yellow, you will get green. Say it with me. If you mix blue and yellow, you will get green. Your turn. Say the sentence. Yes, if you mix blue and yellow, you will get green. Your turn. Write that sentence. Think about every